In today's video, I'll be talking about brick stitch, specifically how to create a bold increase to the side, not just a simple one bead increase, but how to expand your row by 3, 4 or even more beads, how many you like. So here I am at the end of the row, ready to expand it. To start, I pick up one bead and make a classic increase. Some people insert the needle under the last thread bridge, but I prefer to pass the needle directly through the last bead of the previous row. I find the result looks much neater this way. And next, I work diagonally back to get back to my starting position. Down through the bead next to it, and back up into the starting bead. That's my classic increase done. But I want to go bigger, a much bolder increase. So I will continue with ladder stitch. I pick up one bead and pass the needle upward through it. The beads sit side by side. To make the connection more secure and neat, I pass the needle through both beads again. With this method, I can add as many beads as I want. Let's add another bead. Needle goes up. Then back down again to reinforce the connection. Let's add one more bead to make the row even longer. Once again, reinforce the connection. Don't be afraid of brick stitch. If the thread isn't coming out of the bead you need it to, don't hesitate to weave your work however necessary to get the thread into the right position. There's no need to overthink it. You can pass the thread back and forth, it's totally fine. Now let's try starting a new row. I will show you a decrease this time. I've explained decreases in one of my previous videos. If you are interested, you will find the link in the top right. For a decrease, you simply skip the first thread bridge and pass the needle under the second one. Then go up through the second bead. Once again, I like to reinforce the connection by stitching back down and then back up again to my starting position. Pull the thread tight and you will see how nicely the bead sits together. From here, I will continue with classic brick stitch. Brick stitch is truly a gem in the world of beadwork. It's incredibly versatile and endlessly adaptable. What I love most about it is how it allows you to create such a wide variety of designs, from simple straight rows to elaborate shapes and patterns. The name brick stitch actually comes from the way the beads stack like tiny little bricks in a wall. Each bead finds its perfect spot, nestled securely, creating that signature look. And while the process might seem a bit intimidating at first, once you get the hang of it, it becomes almost meditative. What makes brick stitch so special is how workable it is. Want to make a piece wider? Add increases. Need to narrow it down? Just decrease. This flexibility means you can create almost any shape you can imagine. Plus, it's perfect for experimenting with colors and textures to bring your designs to life. Alright, let's say I decide I don't want to continue any further. I can start a new row and do an increase there. You can also turn your work and continue in this direction if you'd like. For example, you could create a triangle here. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and have fun with your beadwork. See you in the next video. Happy beading and take care. Bye!